Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install apps from the App Store using Face ID. If you're tired of entering your Apple ID password every time you download an app, don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick around and I'll walk you through the simple steps to make downloading apps faster and easier. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Then navigate to Screen Time. From here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle the switch to enable it. Next, select iTunes and App Store purchases and set Require Password to Don't Require. Now let's make one more adjustment. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then toggle on the option for iTunes and App Store. That's it. Now return to your home screen. Open the App Store and search for any app. And download it. Now you'll notice that downloading apps has become much simpler with Face ID. Instead of manually entering your Apple ID password every time, you can simply glance at your device to authorize the download. This feature not only saves time, but also adds an extra layer of convenience. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.